Alright guys, welcome to a new video. This is just going to be an update on the Astra, so I'm going to show you some bits. We're going to be removing the interior trims and wrapping it in a carbon blue. We was going to do the outside, but as you can see, typical English weather, so that ain't going to happen. And we've got his little amazing air freshener that is in the shape of a rocket ice cream for some reason. But yeah, we're going to be showing you the interior, so this is going to be a video on the Astra, which some of you guys have been asking for. So yeah, I'll get straight to it. Right, so here's me wrapping all this stuff, as you can see, all going nice. Then here's Steve sat here for the last 45 minutes trying to put a control back in on air fan. Stress. Stress. So this is what an Astra looks like with everything removed. Looks very bare, but we're going to now go ahead and put all this back in to give it a new colour on inside of this car. Right guys, so as you can see, this is just a quick video. We've got about halfway through. As you can see, it's all nice and blue carbon fibre, something different, wheel trims. We've just got some door cards to do on here, which I think we have to take the door cards off, which I'm going to try and find out, so that's going to get done as well. And we've just got this side to do here. Steering wheel's all done, it's all nice in. Let me stand backwards so you guys can see. As you can see, it's completely different. It gives it a new feel to the car. Looks 10 times better. The stereo wise is going to change something on that again, probably a touch screen similar to what I've got, but yeah, we are going to do these as well. So yeah, right, so come back on a sunny day. We've done the rear lights, tinted them all black, as you can see. You can see through it, that's lights on. Steve's going to press brake now. There you go, you can see it all nice and true. In dark obviously it's a lot better as well, but yeah, that's just another little touch we've added to this car. Alright guys, so as you just saw from them shots there, decided to wrap this spoiler bit black, but a matte black. It looks absolutely insane. It looks 10 times better. Gives the car a different look on this back end. All nice and smooth. We've wrapped it around the front. All nice and smooth cut as well. Yeah, looks good. This is a matte black we're going to do on rest at car. I know little bits, but we'll probably save that for another video now. So thank you guys for watching, and subscribe, comment, like and all that sort of stuff, and see you guys in the next one.